Okay, so we have talked about abstract class. We have talked about inner class. In fact, we have talked about anonymous inner class. Can we just use both? Let's try. What I will do is I will just make this class as an abstract class because I want to create this method show as an abstract method. Okay, let's say this is abstract. Okay, and then let's say I'm not doing all those things. Now I have a question for you. If I want to create an object or if I want to instantiate A, can I do that? Of course, in the abstract class we have seen, we can't do that because you can't instantiate the abstract class. And we have found a solution as well. You can create a separate class by saying extends A, and then you can provide the implementation here. You can just go here, quick fix, implement the method. And one more thing, you might be saying that I'm reviewing this line multiple times. It's just that we have not talked about what is @override. We have a separate topic on that. So at that point, we'll discuss that. So here, I just want to say in B show, okay? And then of course, I can create the object of B, and that's done. With the help of this object obj, I can call show. Again, we have seen this in abstract class concept, but I want to talk about something else. So we can see it says in B show. Now, if you look at the entire purpose of this class B is to implement the show method. That's it. And if you are using this method only once, then why to even create this class? Can I use something else? Can I use anonymous inner class here? Okay, so what I'm saying is I can simply say new A, and okay, it's not working, but can I provide the implementation here? And I can create a method which is public void. In fact, I will just simply paste the code because we already have that code with me. And here I will say in new show. So what I'm doing is I'm providing the implementation for the abstract class here itself, okay? And you might be thinking, we are still getting new A, right? Is it the object of an abstract class? We can't do that, right? How we are doing this? The thing is, this is a class here, right? The anonymous inner class. And we are creating the object of not A. We are creating the object of this anonymous inner class. That's a point to remember. So most of the time when we have interfaces or abstract class, we use this concept. So if you want to implement the interface or the abstract class only once, then you can use anonymous inner class, and this perfectly works. So let me just try it out, compile this code and run. You can see it works. So we can use anonymous inner class for the abstract class as well. In fact, if you have multiple methods, you can still do it. If let's say we have one more abstract method here, which is public void, let's say config, we can create a method for config as well. And since we are using an IDE, it gives you the method. So you can simply use this and you can print in config. So it's not just for one method. If you have multiple methods, you can provide the implementation in the anonymous inner class. So that's it about abstract class and anonymous inner class.